This is the test
Oh,
of
look,
life.
what do you think is God's purpose? Why there are some men born to have good looks and there are some who have none?
This is the test of time, and this is the test, or this is just a trial. Ladies and gentlemen, being ugly is not being different. Being ugly is the great purpose on how you deal with life. I know for sure I am not perfect. I've never been, but for me, I'm not perfect, nor even I am not beautiful. Standing here in front of you tonight, facing a thousands of crowd, simply proving or just an evidence that even though I am not really perfect, I am not really beautiful, I have the the legacy that could triggers me up to be an individual who is capable of such having equality in the sense that even though I am not perfect, I am not beautiful, God created me as who I am. Accept the fact that God gave you the kind of life that you have right now. Look at those people who have good looks. Are they contented enough? Definitely no. Because they are still eager to make themselves more beautiful. But we people who have this balance among beauty and purpose of our existence are the person who strives more about life, about the situation that we are now into. We have conscience deep within our hearts, ladies and gentlemen. And being beautiful doesn't mean that you are already perfect. And being ugly doesn't mean that you are different. So face the fact that it's just God's trials to us. It is a measurement on the faith that we have, because it is the measurement of the faith that we have. Okay, thank you.
And that we should always remember that our sole purpose, why God created us,
Wala. Mami-mami na.